Manager of the month in the EPL, known as Michael Carrick. Yes, Michael Carrick has been very, very instrumental since coming back into his stead as Manchester United coach. He has so far been unbeaten, despite the fact having, blemished his record a bit with that draw versus West Ham. No, but still, he's unbeaten as his reign is still ongoing as Manchester United interim manager. There are a couple of things that he switched around using the same personnel that Ruben Amorim was struggling to get consistent wins from. He got 4 consistent wins from the same exact team, and in this round beating the likes of Arsenal. Oh yes, he did. Beating the likes of Manchester City. Oh yes, he did. Beating the likes of Tottenham Hotspur. Oh yes, he did. But what did he do that got this particular momentum off the ground to get Manchester United fans to believe again that Europe is possible? Let's get into the first thing that he changed. The first thing he changed was the shape of the team. Formerly under Ruben Amorim, this was a 3-back system, and the wing backs were high up, and then you have 2 10s in that system. But under him, he switched to a 4-2-3-1 formation, allowing a lot to happen, pushing the defenders way back and making them have more touches in build-up and helping the play. There are a lot of other things that are also happening with this team, but the first major thing I want you to keep in mind is the switch of the system, going to a 4-2-3-1, and with the introduction of a Kobbie Mainoo, who literally did not get a starting berth under Ruben Amorim. Another thing that you need to consider is the closeness of his pivot. Yes, these two gentlemen are quite close each and every time they are on the pitch. And here you find them versus Casemiro, versus Kobbie Mainoo, right now on the press, very close together in that game versus West Ham. Now, let's continue some more, and let's continue this some more, as still you can see them very close here against Tottenham Hotspur in their game. You can see them in this position very close together in that particular game. So they are now opening up, allowing Lemar to kick that ball high up. But look at their positioning. Formerly under their coach Ruben Amorim, the former coach Ruben Amorim, the lone pivot would have been Casemiro, and he was constantly under pressure. Now let's take another look at it again. Very close together, making it very compact, reducing the space that was left gaping by the tactics of Ruben Amorim. So that's one. The second thing he fixed, he sorted out their formation. Now he sorted out the closeness between his double pivot. Now, aside sorting out the whole issue with his double pivot, he made one thing also happen. He reduced the amount of sideways passes they were given. Yes, the amount of sideways passes they were given. You could watch a United game under Amorim and they would have a lot of heat maps with the ball, with the passing channel going left, right, and not going direct. But under Michael Carrick, they have been more direct. The likes of Harry Maguire have rather been pushing the ball forward than kicking it sideways like they used to do formerly. Aside that as well, there's one key player who has now been actually bumped up the pitch, and his starting position is constantly helping out Manchester United. Who am I talking about here? This particular gentleman leading the charge and starting the press. And that is the man Bruno Fernandes. Yes, Bruno Fernandes is now having more impact in Manchester United games because of his starting position. Now, you see Casemiro, you see Kobbie Mainoo, the pivot. Now that allows the man, Bruno Fernandes, to pump up the pitch and be more creative and more dangerous in the areas you have known him to be. Earlier this season, under Ruben Amorim, his statistics show that that was the period that he had less impact in games compared to the entirety of the time he has been at Manchester United, which is some 6 years. Now, under Michael Carrick, looks like his hard drive has been formatted and is back to factory settings. Pushing high up, constantly having actions in the box, constantly having the opportunity to assist in goals. Now, let's talk now also about Brian Mbeumo and Matthias Cunha. Now, Brian Mbeumo and Matthias Cunha are a special case. So, Carrick constantly normally likes to start without a recognized striker. Why? Because he is looking for that fluidity amongst a couple of players. He's looking for that fluidity between Ahmad, between Mbeumo, between Matthias Cunha. Which kind of fluidity am I talking about? There's constant interchanging passing, short interchanging passing between these players, depending on the side of the pitch the ball finds itself. Should Manchester United win this ball, the combination in this circumstance will be between Mbeumo, Cunha, and then Fernandes. Should Manchester United win the ball on this half of the pitch, the combinations then would be between Ahmad, Matthias Cunha, and then Bruno Fernandes. So these combinations are what Carrick wants from his front line, and that is one thing that's helping the team out. So let's recap quickly how Carrick quickly just changed the face and fortunes of Manchester United. 1, he flipped up this formation. Exactly so. 2, he allowed Kobbie Mainoo's movement to actually revolutionize and free up a lot of space in that midfield, whilst also blocking constant attacks through the middle by keeping Kobbie Mainoo and Casemiro extremely close. 3, he has pushed forward the man Bruno Fernandes once again, so that he's able to have impact in areas where he is most dangerous. Now, 4, he has encouraged the team to engage in consistent short passing and dynamic movement all around the pitch, especially whilst attacking the opponent. 5, he has put an ask on his laterals to actually come back and help in the build forward. What does that help to do? It helps them in creating certain pockets of space behind the opponent, especially in the beginning phases of their build-up. In addition to all this, he has enchanted his team to, as much as possible, consider moving the ball forward than going sideways. Sideways merchants no longer are acceptable in this particular system by the man Michael Carrick. So far, so good for him. Switch of formation, switch up a lot of things, but still working for Manchester United. That's how come he went on to win the Manager of the Month after just taking the reins at Manchester United. So that's how he is building on this particular team and helping them push things forward. Michael Carrick, ladies and gentlemen, pushing